Still falling prey to outdated artificial intelligence tools and living like a miser? World's first, complete newbie-friendly technology that lets you using artificial intelligence for any offer and niche with zero prior skills or experience using 200+ business-boosting AI tools to skyrocket your business growth in a cost-effective manner. Watch how you too can say goodbye to feeling envious of your competitors. Success and make $238 each day with no prior tech or marketing skills. 100% Chat GPT-4 powered AI technology that works seamlessly on all devices. Get 200+ premium, result-oriented AI business tools at the price of one. Instantly create Jasper, Copywriter.AI style content and sell to hordes of hungry audiences. First to market, all-in marketing kit to manage all your business needs from one dashboard. Create 200+ passive income streams and secure your financial future. 48 real beta testers made $238 daily with zero prior tech or marketing skills. Get the first mover advantage and crush your competition. Get real results using result-generating AI prompts instead of using complex prompts. Say goodbye to wasting time logging into multiple AI apps once and for all. Use artificial intelligence to create and sell attention-grabbing marketing assets to hungry audience globally. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. Limited time commercial license included. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included. Get premium. Never offered before bonuses worth $6,658 with your access today. Using these powerful 200+ artificial intelligence tools. Simple 3-step process. Step 1. Log in. To get started, just log into this exciting technology and let us put your business growth on steroids. Step 2. Create. Now, use the immensely powerful 200+ artificial intelligence-based tools to grow your business and skyrocket leads, sales, and profits. Step 3. Profit. That's it, you're all set to rock and roll. Get ready to witness a tornado of sales like this coming in without doing any grunt work yourself. Here are some of the countless beta users who used Propel AI Kit to outclass the competition and grow their business. Our real beta testers made commissions like this each day. Now even you can make the same using Propel AI Kit. Here are some of the countless tasks that Propel AI Kit does for you within few clicks of your mouse. All this and more without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools, without running after money-oriented freelancers, without turning your hair gray doing everything yourself, without paying huge fees monthly to expensive copywriters, without hiring costly content writers or video creators, without depending on existing third-party platforms, etc. once and for all, without waiting weeks for results, without doing any manual work, without having any prior experience. Propel AI Kit happily replaces tons of expensive apps that charge like crazy. Use Propel AI Kit to skyrocket your business growth and take a giant leap over your competitors once and for all. Use Propel AI Kit to skyrocket your business growth and take a giant leap over your competitors once and for all. Say goodbye to using complex AI tools that never deliver results. Say goodbye to your marketing managers. Say goodbye to your virtual assistants. Say goodbye to your existing email marketing subscription. Say goodbye to using outdated Amazon product descriptions. Say goodbye to your content creation platform. Say goodbye to your image creation technology. Say goodbye to third-party video creation tools. Say goodbye to your email subject line creator. Say goodbye to using articles that no one prefers to read. Say goodbye to your freelance blog writer. Say goodbye to your Facebook ads manager. Say goodbye to your YouTube content creator. Say goodbye to your social media manager. Say goodbye to your customer support analyst. Say goodbye to your push notification platforms. Instead, World's leading companies are using the latest artificial intelligence-infused marketing practices in all aspects of their business to get real results. So, it's safe to say that using artificial intelligence for business growth is something that top international publications and marketing companies swear by. See for yourself why everyone is giving great importance to using artificial intelligence today. For more details, visit the link in description. Thank you for watching this video.